If you're considering QuickBooks Time, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. It's a popular choice for time tracking and payroll, but is it the right fit for your business? Let's dive into what makes QuickBooks Time stand out and how it compares to other options like T-Sheets or Clockify. First, QuickBooks Time excels in seamless integration with QuickBooks accounting software. If you're already using QuickBooks for bookkeeping, syncing your time tracking and payroll data can save you time and reduce errors. Many competitors, like Harvest or Toggle, offer integrations, but may require more manual work or extra tools. Next thing, QuickBooks Time offers an intuitive mobile app. It allows employees to track their hours, submit time-off requests, and even manage shifts right from their phones. Competitors like Hubstaff may offer similar mobile functionality, but QuickBooks Time's app is more streamlined and user-friendly. The third thing to note is its strong payroll integration. QuickBooks Time syncs directly with QuickBooks Payroll, making it easier to run payroll on time and ensure accurate compensation. While some alternatives like Paycor offer payroll tools, QuickBooks Time's close integration with QuickBooks makes it a top choice for QuickBooks users. The fourth thing is its GPS tracking feature. If you have employees working remotely or in the field, you can track their location during clock in and clock out. While other tools like Time Doctor also offer GPS tracking, QuickBooks Time's GPS functionality is more robust and provides real-time updates. Another point to consider is its customizable reports. QuickBooks Time lets you generate detailed reports on work hours, overtime, job costs, and more. This can help you keep track of budgets and ensure compliance. Some competitors like ClockShark offer reporting as well, but QuickBooks Time's variety of reports is hard to beat. The sixth thing is its time off tracking. You can easily manage paid time off, sick leave, and holidays, which integrates with payroll. While tools like Bamboo HR offer time off tracking, QuickBooks Time's simplicity and connection with payroll make it a convenient solution for small to medium-sized businesses. Next, let's talk about pricing. QuickBooks Time offers a variety of pricing plans based on your needs. If you're a small business, their basic plan might be sufficient, but larger teams may need the more advanced options. While T-Sheets offers a similar pricing structure, QuickBooks Time's plans are slightly more affordable for businesses just starting out. The eighth thing is its time clock feature. QuickBooks Time allows employees to clock in and out with ease, ensuring accurate timekeeping. It also supports facial recognition and PIN entry, so it's secure and adaptable to various business needs. This is comparable to features offered by Clockify, but QuickBooks Time's user-friendly setup is an advantage. Another important point is the ease of scheduling. QuickBooks Time makes it simple to create, edit, and share schedules with your team. Whether you're managing shifts or project timelines, this tool can help streamline operations. Competitors like Deputy and When I Work offer similar features, but QuickBooks Time's scheduling tool is more integrated with its time tracking capabilities. The 10th thing is customer support. QuickBooks Time offers 24/7 support through chat, phone, and email. While other tools like Harvest and Toggle have solid support, QuickBooks Time's extensive resources and availability make it a go-to for businesses that need assistance on the fly. The 11th thing to know is scalability. QuickBooks Time is designed to grow with your business. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a team of hundreds, it can scale up with your needs. Some alternatives may be more tailored to specific industries, but QuickBooks Time's flexibility is a strong selling point. Finally, QuickBooks Time provides an easy-to-navigate dashboard. All your key metrics, from employee hours to job costs, are displayed clearly, making it simple to manage your business operations. While alternatives like ClockShark offer dashboards, QuickBooks Time's interface is often praised for being more intuitive and organized. So, is QuickBooks Time a good choice for your business? In many cases, yes, especially if you're already using QuickBooks for your accounting needs. However, if you're looking for an even more versatile solution with additional features, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.